PPC is short for pay-per-click marketing. It's an all-encompassing term for any digital advertising where you, the business owner, only pay when someone clicks your ad. Paid search, more commonly known as Google Search Ads, is the most popular type of PPC advertising. These types of ads appear on Google search results pages at the top of the page or among other search results, putting your business in front of potential customers while they're actively searching for the product or service that you provide. If you are not actively running ads, your competitors that are running ads will show up first. Facebook and Instagram ads are another type of pay-per-click advertising. With these, your ads drive traffic to your website by showing to people while they're browsing social media. And remember, you only pay when people click. Other types of digital advertising may function on a different cost method, such as cost per 1,000 impressions, but to keep things simple, we use PPC as a general term for most digital advertising. Schedule a demo today to learn how PPC advertising can help you.